Hi, I'm Patsy from Patterns by Patsy, and in my previous video, she told you all about amigurumi. This time, it's my turn. So let's see what you need to start crocheting your own amigurumi. Okay, so you only need a few things to get started. Some yarn, a crochet hook, some stuffing, and a bend tip darning needle. This one is kind of tiny, so I'm going to bring it up so that you can see it a little better. It's like a sewing needle, but it's got a blunt end on this side so you don't pierce your work. And this bent angle here on the tip really helps you to get under and between stitches as you sew some of the limbs together. So I hope you come back for future videos when I talk to you a little bit more about how to pick the right yarn and the right crochet hook for your project. And of course you need, hey, I told you, it's my turn. And of course, you need a pattern to help you make the right stitches at the right time. But there's also a few other things that you might find very helpful. So let's check them out. Amigurumi is done by crocheting in rounds, just like you're making a spiral. So you'll need something like this stitch marker to help you keep track of where you begin each one of those rounds. If you don't have one of these, you can always use a scrap piece of yarn. So you just insert your hook into the stitch, into the beginning stitch, and then pull this yarn through. Or you may have one of these on hand, and it just goes through the stitch like that, just like one of the stitch markers. So use what you got, and you'll also need something to help you keep track of your completed rounds. This is a row counter, and once you are done completing a round, you just turn the dial, and it will help you to know where you are in your pattern. If you don't have one of these, you can always use a sheet of paper and make tally marks on it. Or you can print out your pattern and just strike through the rounds as you complete them. That'll keep you on track. And that's it. Subscribe and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.